Alright, so I got her hooked up. Out 3P, I guess, is the coldest. That thing puts out some air, man, and it works. It's already charged. I just gotta finish it up, cover it up. I put a divider in there so it's not sucking the same air, you know what I mean? But yeah, that was the best place to put it, on the ceiling, because there's ducts running through from the other air conditioners, so I had to miss the, and I got into wires up there, of course. Of course I cut into a bunch of wires, so I had to fix those communication wires. I fixed all those DC ones, but yeah, I just got my bank hooked up, kind of, you know, temporary for now, and there is compressors kicked on. Trying to charge my other one, I'm having trouble charging it, but at least this one works for now, and this one's got heat. It's got 3,000 BTU of heat, and I think it's 9 or 12,000 BTU air. I can't remember. It's on Amazon. I got it right here. No, that's the other one. Yeah, the little books are pretty much worthless, but anyway, hope you enjoy. It's a very nice little unit, man. It's light, very easy to install. It's great. Love it.